What if I told you with a couple minor changes, you could absolutely level up your videos?
What?
Today we're going to talk about it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to level up your videos. So let's get after it. Aloha. If you're new around these parts, I am Doc Rock. I am that dude that shows you about your YouTube growth, making YouTube videos, and getting much better at live video. Yesterday, I made a video showing you how to shoot better videos. That's right up here. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to add that extra little piece. It's the audio, adding the right amount of stuff to your audio to give you much better sound, because at the end of the day, sound quality in your video is actually more important than the visuals. Even as a baby, our brains are wired to listen for the human voice. Remember, seconds after you were born, when they put you on your mama's chest, you could hear the lovely sound of her voice going, "Ah, bendito, you're so beautiful. My son, my daughter, how cute." In my case, my mom went, "Holy, Mama, what have I done?" Your brain is wired to listen to the sound of the human voice, so your viewer's brain is also wired that way. It's very important you get your sound on point. I'm going to give you 3 tips that you can use to make your video sound better. First, selection of microphone. For the most part, all of you guys in the Let's Get Live community all have nice microphones. And again, it could be anything from the Samsung Q2U, the ATR 2100, a good lapel mic, whatever. Just not using the microphone on your camera. If you're new around here and you're still using your on-camera mic, we need to fix that. We need to get some sort of dedicated microphone. Start with the lavalier, a $20 lavalier, or Samsung Q2U is a good jumping off point. I love this pod mic here, but let's just start with a dedicated mic, and that alone will get you better quality videos. Whenever I do voiceover work, I do whatever I can to end the deflections, the bounce back, because whenever you make sound, it bounces off your monitors, your walls, your camera lenses, sound waves going everywhere, and makes the room sound airy, which is why I'm always yelling about people using shotgun mics that don't really know how to use them. So what you want to do is try to deaden some of that sound. On your live stream, you might not be able to do this because it looks funny, but you're recording by yourself or you're recording voiceovers, get yourself something to deaden that deflection. I use this. So all I do is place this in front of my mic. Now you guys might not hear much because I don't have the mic exactly positioned. This is normally on the mic stand, but doing this alone and talking into this is going to give me a little bit better sound. Now let's say you don't happen to have a collapsible noise deflector. Fret not, I got something for you. You can get a stack of towels, a stack of blankets, dirty clothes, clean clothes, whatever, pillows, stack them right behind your microphone, especially if it can block your wall. If you're talking to a wall or you're talking into the dead open room, stack a bunch of cloth, cardboard, foam, whatever you have, put it right behind your microphone, and it will do the same thing as my CAD noise deflector. The next thing we want to do to level up your video is add some Foley.
I don't even know what that means.
You know, say you're taking that long walk through the woods, you're rustling through the leaves, and you're just enjoying that fresh air, and you hear birds chirping, and all of a sudden you hear the sound of a tree falling in the wood, and your heart starts pumping, and then you just gotta run, you gotta run out of there. Yeah, all of that, that's Foley. Adding those little sounds to your video along with your B-roll will give you that epic quality, that television production level quality. Think about it. When you're giving your story and you're talking about maybe when you were a kid, how you used to wake up in the morning and your dad would fry you eggs, add the sound of frying eggs. Or when you talk about how when you would do something bad and your mom would give you a quick crack one across the face, add that. When you talk about, hey, I need you to snap out of it, add that. When you talk about the distraction of the baby crying, add that. Just remember, add some Foley to your videos and your video quality will straight level up.
Oh my.
The next thing you can do to make your videos come out better, subscribe to the channel. So make sure if you haven't done so already, you pop that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know whenever we make new videos, you'll get notified. Now watch the video that's coming up next.